Lot 161 is the 1938 MG TA Drophead Coupe, one of the very best examples in the world. MG expert Gene Roth spent 7 years doing a ground-up restoration, and it's period correct down to the tool roll. The 1938 MG TA Drophead Coupe.
Thank you very much, Alan. MG TA Drophead Coupe. I'm going to bid here at $50,000, shall I? $50,000, opening bid of $50,000, a little MG. Thank you. My ladies bid at $50,000 to start me off. At $50,000, and I'm selling the car already if I have no bid of bid. So ladies bid at $50,000, do I have 60 anywhere in the room? At $50,000 then, do I have 60 anywhere? Well, that will sell. So my very first bid is no reserve, it's here to be sold. 60,000, thank you sir. 60,000, well I have 70,000 now. We're at $60,000 now. 70, thank you, 70,000. Is that 70 Barney? 70 behind you. So I have $80,000 now. I've got 70,000 bid, there she comes up on stage. At $70,000, do I have 80 anywhere now? Such a pretty little car. At $70,000. 75 for RJ, thank you. At $75,000, do I have $80,000 now? At $75,000, do I have 80 anywhere? Well, at $75,000, I'm selling the little MG. 80, thank you, sir. Well spotted, Alan. Eyes like a hawk up here. At my left at 80,000. 85, thank you. $85,000 I have. Do I have 90, sir? 90,000, thank you. 90,000. 95, so thank you, sir. 95,000 I have. 100,000 if you like. 100, is that a yes? Yes, absolutely. 100,000 I bid. 105 I have at 105,000. 110 if you like, sir. At $105,000, no? You out? Well, I shall sell right here in front of me at $105,000. If there is no better bid, it's going here for the first time. At $105,000, it's going for the second time, so you're missing it. It's going for the third and the last time at $105,000. If there's no better bid, it's going. Well done. We'll finish. So, your car, well done, sir. 163, 95,000.
Lot 162.